Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTS 2E and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. Now, let's continue the measurement. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the heart rate option and tap on it. Oh, my bad. Heart rate. As you can see, now it tells us to put the device on. So if you had your device on your wrist, it would start measuring automatically. So I'm gonna put my watch on my wrist, like this. And it should start measuring automatically. If it doesn't, then reopen the heart rate widget, and now it's measuring, as you can see. Try to stay still while you're measuring the heart rate. And here we have the heart rate, as you can see, detected it, and I'm pretty sure that after a couple of seconds it should give you, the animation would stop, and basically that's gonna be your result. So let's wait. Okay, as you can see, this animation right here stopped. It means that the stopped measuring, and this is your current heart rate. You can also scroll up right here to see the statistics, more of them, as you can see. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. Also, you can swipe left on the current watch face, the home screen, to scroll through the list of widgets, and one of the widgets should be the heart rate widget, so you can access it quicker without going into the menu. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.